Imagine you're saving up for a dream vacation. You've been diligently setting aside money every month. Then, someone mentions Vivid Money and its promise of faster savings. You're intrigued, but you have a burning question: how many days does it actually take to see results with Vivid Money? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Vivid Money to find out exactly how long it takes to see your savings grow. We'll explore real-life examples, discuss different saving strategies, and uncover the factors that can influence your savings journey. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly understand what Vivid Money is. It's a digital banking platform that offers various tools and features to help you save money more effectively. Think of it as your personal financial assistant. The saving journey. So, how long does it take to see results with Vivid Money? Well, the answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. It depends on several factors, including your savings goals. Are you saving for a small purchase or a major life event? The bigger the goal, the longer it might take. Your income and expenses. Your financial situation plays a crucial role. The more you can save each month, the faster you'll reach your goals. Your saving strategy. Vivid Money offers various saving features like roundups, vaults, and goals. The strategy you choose will impact how quickly your savings grow. Real-life examples. Let's look at some real-life examples to get a better understanding. John, a student, used Vivid Money to save for a new laptop. He set up a goal and consistently added money to it. Within 3 months, he had saved enough to make the purchase. Sarah, a working professional, wanted to save for a down payment on a house. She used Vivid Money's Roundup feature and set up a long-term goal. It took her about 2 years to reach her target, but she was able to save significantly more than she would have without Vivid Money. Factors influencing savings growth. Aside from the factors we've already discussed, there are a few other things to consider. Consistency. Regular contributions to your savings are essential. The more consistent you are, the faster your savings will grow. Interest rates. Vivid Money may offer interest on your savings. While the interest rates might not be as high as traditional savings accounts, they can add up over time. Additional features. Vivid Money offers features like budgeting tools and financial education resources. These can help you make informed decisions and optimize your savings. So, how many days is Vivid Money? While we can't give you a definitive answer, we can say that it's a powerful tool that can help you reach your savings goals faster. By understanding your financial situation, setting realistic goals, and utilizing Vivid Money's features effectively, you can accelerate your savings journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.